Hey guys, today we're gonna try Bullsone Crystal Coat. They have 3 products in this line: Crystal Shampoo, Crystal Cleanser, and Crystal Coat. So in this video, we're gonna test them all. The first product is Bullsone Crystal Cleanser. It came with an applicator pad. I'm gonna test it on this side so we can see the difference later. Okay, it's also not hard to remove. Let's see the difference. As you can see, it has the ability to remove oxidation, so the pen look much more better, but not so much with swirls. Okay, now I'm gonna use the A-power system on both sides to make it even. Next product is Bullsone Crystal Coat. It's a glass coating. It creates high water repellent effect, prevents sticking and penetration of contaminants, and maintaining the pen's luster. It came with a microfiber towel. It doesn't have a label, so you don't need to worry it will damaging the pen. It's so easy to use. Just spray and wipe immediately. No wait time whatsoever. And this is the water beading. I don't know about the durability of this crystal coat, but I'm gonna test it on my car just like my other wax test videos. And this is the result after I coat all the hoods with the crystal coat. It really deepens the pen, but it still can remove or hide the swirls. But if you're not looking for defects, it looks just awesome. And the last product is Crystal Shampoo. So this is ready to use shampoo. You don't need to dilute it in the bucket. So you just spray the car with water, spray the shampoo on the wash mitt and on the pen, and you're good to go. It removes the hassle of using 2 bucket methods because you only need 1 bucket to wash the mitt with this method. But remember guys, only do this when the car is not very dirty, just a little dust here and there. Otherwise you will create more swirls on the paint. You still need 2 bucket methods and a snow foam for a dirty car. I hope this helps. You can check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.